Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Danica and I'm a Fit Mom Lifestyle on Instagram, LTK, and TikTok. And today I'm back with my weekly Lululemon video. So for today I have an Outfits of the Week video. I'm actually sharing all the casual outfits that I'm taking with me on an upcoming trip. As this video is coming out, as you're watching this video, we're on our way to Northern California for the week and I'm just packing in advance. So what I'm sharing with you is mostly my favorite basics from Lululemon that I can kind of wear throughout the week. I can wear multiple ways, whether that's, you know, casually around the hotel or grabbing coffee or out and about with my son or at the gym. So all these pieces are pretty versatile in my opinion. I think they're great basics from Lululemon that I love. Mostly neutrals, although I do have some pops of color like this green, for example. So let's get into it. If you're excited for this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I come out with at least one new Lululemon video every single week. And let's talk about this first outfit. So first on top, I have this Align tank. Now this is the older version. They have a newer one now. You can get the AB version or the CD version. This is the older version and the straps are a little bit thinner. Now the straps are a little thicker and I size up to a 12 in these because I am like a C cup and the AB, you know, the original Align tank was AB cup size and I had to size up one just to allow for a little bit more room. Now if I get the CD version, I'll just get my true size 10. So that's what I have on top in this really pretty green color. I forget the name of this because it is a little bit older, but I just really love green, especially this time of year. I think it's so pretty. I love tops like this that have the built-in bra, so you can get an Align tank now. Like I said, you can choose the one that works the best for you, but these are great if you're doing a low intensity workout, if you're just being a tourist, walking around, out and about. You can also layer, you know, a jacket over top, or you could wear this kind of as a like tank, like for more coverage, or a bra. I'll wear, you know, a sweatshirt over this. So it's just a really good versatile piece that you can wear for so many different things. And then on bottom I have the Inner Glow shorts. These ones I believe are a size 8 in the color white. These are really great as well because I can wear these kind of as pajama bottoms. I could wear them, you know, traveling in the car, around the hotel room. I would also wear them out and about. I personally like to wear these out and about. I know some people more so reserve these for like in the house, but I'll wear them out and about. I think they're so cute. They have pockets. We also might go, you know, by the pool or something. These would be a great cover up. So again, these pieces, all the pieces I'm sharing today are pieces that I could wear, you know, 3, 4, 5 ways, and that's why I'm packing them, because it's kind of like a little bit of a capsule wardrobe per se, where I can mix and match. I can wear them multiple ways and I, you know, can make it work for the week. So this is outfit number 1. Let's get into the next one. This outfit is great for an active day. So first on top, I have the Define Relax jacket, which I think is such a great layering piece. Again, I am bringing pieces that I can wear to work out in the morning, to go grab coffee at night if we go out, like not go out, but you know what I mean, like go out and do something at night. If it just happens to be a cool day, a windy day, whatever. So this is in a size 10 and this one has the gold accents. I think now they only have just like the all black or the all white, but I really love these jackets. I have the white one as well, and there's little draw cords here so you can tighten it and kind of like cinch it up, or you know, loosen it and kind of pull it down. But I think these are so cute. So the main kind of portion of the jacket is Luon. So it's kind of like that thick cotton fabric. And then the sleeves is more like a lightweight, it reminds me of like track pants from high school or something. So again, this is like a little bit more lightweight and flexible, but then you've got the Luon. So I really love this jacket so much. I also think it's like just very flattering and cute, and it's just very sporty, and I really like it. So that's what this is. Again, it'd be really great for just kind of like an active day, an easy throw on piece if I need an extra layer. And then I just have my Speed Up high rise short 2.5 inch. These ones are in a size 8, obviously in the color black. When I travel, I often bring like mostly black or mostly neutrals. I mean, I'll throw in a fun, you know, bright piece here and there, but I bring a lot of neutrals because I can mix and match. I also can wear them to the gym, or I'll wear this like one day if we're out and about, you know, doing something, and then I'll wear it the next day to the gym. So I love these. I like the 2.5 inch. I'll do the 2.5 or the 4 inch. This is the 2.5 inch, which I feel like on me is long enough. I'm 5'5", but again, I could also bring my 4 inch as well, and I think that it looks really cute with the jacket too, just like a super active kind of fit. I could throw on some sneakers and just, you know, have a great day. So I love this. I think this is so fun, and this is the next outfit. I love these pieces so much. So first on top, I have the Align high neck tank. This one's in natural ivory. I get these in a size 10, and this one is great to wear casually out and about. It almost looks like a bodysuit in my opinion, especially when you wear it with something like bottoms that are a little bit dressier. I think it's so pretty, but I also have the built-in bra, so I don't have to pack a bra. I can also wear it to the gym, and it feels good, it looks good, it's comfortable. Like I love it. Again, I kind of like tucked it in the front just a little to kind of show you how you can make it look like a bodysuit, or I could wear it with biker shorts and go to the gym and, you know, have it be super functional. So love this. Think it's very comfortable, very flattering. Then on bottom I have some soft stream shorts. This specific style is not available, but you can get the regular soft stream shorts now. This one's an older version, so it only has the tie on the outside. Now you can flip the tie, you know, to the inside, and it's just a little bit of a different look, but you can kind of get the same idea with other soft stream shorts. Oh my gosh, why is that so hard for me to say today? These ones are actually, believe it or not, in a size 4. I don't wear a size 4 anymore. I usually get a 6 or an 8, but for some reason these just work for me. I think that they've kind of stretched out a little bit over the years, and so they've like molded to my body, and they're just cute and comfy, and I really, really love them. These were the first, I want to say the first iteration of the soft stream shorts. So, oh, and my tag sticking out. We're a mess, guys. We're a mess. But anyway, this is the next outfit, and I think it's so cute, so comfy. I'd probably wear this with like some flip-flops and just go out and about. So one of the days we will be in San Francisco, and I needed to bring a hoodie. I'm also always cold, so I feel like I just need a sweatshirt at all times, and I love having the like versatility of a hood. So, you know, I just think it's really great to have. I love that this is a light kind of pretty spring color, so it still looks, I don't know, like seasonal, even though I'm in an oversized hoodie. So that's what I have on top. This one's a large, and I really like how the large fits me. You can see it's pretty big, but again, if I am getting coffee in the morning, it's a little bit cold or a little bit overcast, I could have this on with some biker shorts and some flip-flops, or I could throw this on over when I go to the gym. I just think that it's obviously essential to bring a hoodie with you regardless of the time of year, because if it's really hot outside, it's usually really cold inside. So that's what I have on. I love this color so much. I think it's so beautiful and fun, and just such a good one because, again, like I said, I love sweatshirts year round. And then I just have some Align pants in 25 inch, and these are just a classic. I can't go anywhere without bringing my Aligns, all my Aligns. And again, I will wear these to work out. I will wear them like to lift. I'm not gonna go do a crazy circuit workout in them. Also, it just got super dark. I don't know why my camera does that, but anyway, I will wear these to do a lifting day. Hello, I'm here. Can you see me? I will wear this to do a lifting day. I will wear these obviously out and about, sightseeing. What's really great is because they're made with the Nulu fabric, it's not too heavy. So even if it is a hot day, you're not gonna overheat in your Aligns, you know? So I just think they're so great. I will wear them over and over. In fact, I might bring 2 pair because you just never know. You can never have enough Aligns. So again, got this hoodie. I'm pretty sure this one's strawberry milkshake, and don't sleep on the men's section because I think they have some of the best stuff. And then just my Aligns. All right, this outfit is just cute and fun and easy. So first on top, I have the Wonder Train racer back, high neck, I don't know, strappy tank. I forget the name. It's got like 3 different things. But I have this in a size 10. This is in the color Nomad. I love the color Nomad. Again, this is a piece I can wear to the gym. I could even dress this up with some jeans, I feel like. Throw a jacket over top. I feel like this piece is very versatile. You could wear it working out. You could wear it casually, or you could even dress it up because it does have that high neck and it's got the cute back. I do have a sunburn, so ignore that. But I really love it. Right now I just have it on with nippies, but I can throw it on with a bra, like a sports bra to work out. I could throw it on with a strapless bra to just give a little bit more lift and support. So really great. It's also Everlux, so it's Lululemon's fastest drying sweat wicking fabric. So love that. Then I've got my Pace Rival skirt on. This one's in a size 8. Most of mine are in a size 6. This is an 8. And this one is in the longer version, which they still have available on the site. For whatever reason, the regular length version and the short version are marked down and on sale, so I don't know if they're getting rid of them. But this one is the longer version. I'm 5'5". This is how it fits on me. As you can see, it's not too long by any means. It does go a little bit below my fingertips, which I think my regular ones are just above my fingertips. But I think it's such a cute skirt. It's got the little pleats in the back, which I think is so flattering and fun. It's got built-in shorts as well, which is great. We love that. So again, just kind of like minimizing how much you need to pack. And again, this is a piece that would just be really cute for an active day out and about. I feel like it's just fun and it dresses it up a bit. It's got a zippered pocket in the back as well, and I just think this is really cute. So this is just a fun outfit, probably for when we go exploring. I just love a skirt. I think it just mixes things up. I'm always in shorts, and I'm always in Lululemon shorts more specifically, so I just kind of like that this is something a little bit different and a little bit like dressier and just more feminine and flirty and fun. This outfit is perfect for kind of like a warm spring day when we're on the go. So first, I have an all yours cotton tee. This is the Heathered Core Ultralight Gray. I love these tees so much. This one's in a size 8, so I can wear this one casually. I can wear it to the gym. I can wear it to sleep. Very versatile. I love it. Right now I have it just tucked in the back. Sometimes I like that just to give me some shape, but I can also pull it out and wear it long if I want that look as well. Sometimes I feel like that makes me look a little less put together, so I like to kind of tuck it some way just to give me a little bit more shape, like I said. So that's what I have on top. Just such a good go-to basic of mine. Literally, I could throw this on every single day and be comfortable and good to go. You can also wear this with some denim and sneakers. You could dress it up a little bit. It's just good. It's just a great basic. Then on bottom, I have my Align high-rise biker shorts, 6-inch size 6, but these ones have the pockets. So I'm thinking about taking James to a museum one day, and these are probably the shorts that I would wear for something like that, or again when we're like kind of walking around town doing touristy things, because I can slide my phone in a pocket. You know, I always need tissue with him or something like that, my AirPods, whatever it is. So as a mom on the go, having biker shorts, comfortable biker shorts with pockets come in handy more often than I realize. So that's why I'm bringing these. I love these. I feel so comfortable in them, but then they're very versatile with the pockets. So that is this next outfit. This last outfit, I have a perfectly oversized crop crew, which I love these, and this is the stripe version, which I just think is so cute. I also think it dresses it up a little bit, because just the plain one, you can tell you're just wearing a basic sweatshirt, which again, I love and I think is fine, but this stripe just makes it look a little bit more elevated, don't you think? So size 10, and I just think this is very cute, and I think it can be dressed up or dressed down. I can also throw it over top going to and from the gym, grabbing coffee, you know, whatever it may be. I think it's just such a good staple to have. And what's really great about this one is it's the terry fabric, so if it is warmer, I'm not going to overheat in it. So while I had the Steady State on earlier, that one's fleecy. This one is terry fabric like a towel. So it's just going to be super comfortable and great. You know, I've got some flexibility with the like the weather essentially. I can either be super cozy in the fleece or wear this one and just have like an extra layer. And then on bottom I just have my Align high-rise biker shorts. These are in the 6" in a size 6, obviously in the color black. Again, such a good staple. I can wear these to work out. I can wear these, again, grabbing coffee, hanging out with James, doing stuff during the day, and, you know, traveling just for a long car ride. So really comfortable. You can never go wrong. Again, something that I might bring multiples of because they're just like such a good staple to have. It's just the Align shorts and the Align pants. I just usually like to bring two pairs of each with me when I travel, because if something happens to one, I need a backup. So that is going to be it for this outfits of the week video, travel edition. Again, as you're watching this, I'm on my way up, you know, for a little trip, and these are just some of the outfits that I'm bringing with me that I just think are really great Lululemon basics that you can wear for multiple occasions, that are just kind of like a capsule type of piece that I can, you know, kind of dress up, dress down, or wear throughout the day. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.